welcome to Math Lesson 48. Hope that you're having a wonderful day. We are going to go ahead and get started with just our temperatures today. I know I tried to make each review lesson quick and then it ends up not being very quick, so I'm going to really try this time to make this lesson super fast. So here we go. Normal body temperature in Celsius. 37 degrees Celsius. Freezing point of water in Fahrenheit. 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Boiling point of water in Fahrenheit. 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Boiling point of water in Celsius. 100 degrees Celsius. Normal body temperature in Fahrenheit. 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Freezing point of water in Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, excellent job. Look at your paper. This is pages 95 and 96. We need to solve the puzzles. Just so that you're clear on what you need to do, look at the hot air balloons. Look at the very first hot air balloon, this one right here, okay? Right there. 6 times 2 is where you need to start. That's why there's an arrow going from the 6 to the 2. So start with 6 times 2. Then take that answer and you have minus 3 on the yellow part below. Then take that answer times 4. Then take that answer minus 6 and put your answer there in the basket, and that's white. Okay, then letter B, the second hot air balloon that has the yellow part on top, then blue, then red, then purple, then your basket. So you start with 19 minus 9. Then you take that answer times 4. Then you take that answer divided by 5. And you write the answer in the basket. Number 2, you need to write the missing factor. So for numbers 2, 3, 4, and 5, we're going to do letter A here on the board. And then you do the rest of them the same way. So, number 2, write the missing factor. 5 times what equals 60? So 5 groups of what would equal 60? So you can count by 5s and see how many times that will equal 60. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. I just counted 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I counted 12 groups of 5 to get to 60. So that means 5 times 12 equals 60. Next, 14 divided by blank equals 7. Well, how many groups of 7 are in 14? 7 plus 7 is 14. How many groups is that? 2. It's 2 groups. So 14 divided by 2 equals 7. Next I have blank divided by 2 equals 6. So that means that I have 2 groups of 6. What is that? Well, 1 group is 6, 2 groups is 12. So that means 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Okay, last one. I have 5 blank 5 equals 10. Here I'm looking for the missing sign. So should I say 5 plus 5, 5 minus 5, 5 divided by 5, or 5 times 5? Well, let's try the first one, 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is, look at that, it's 10. So that's the answer. Okay, for each one, you have to try the sign to make sure you know which one is correct. Okay, so finish 2, 3, and 4, and 5, just like that. Number 6, you need to count the coins and the dollar bills, write the amount. Don't forget your dollar sign and decimal point. Remember, it is, you have your two spaces for your coins, then you have your decimal point, then however many dollars you have, and dollar sign at the end. Okay, look at page 96. You have a rectangle challenge. Have fun with this, okay? For the first part says find the area. So all you need to do is count the boxes. And that's your area. Okay, so I want you to stop right now and count the boxes. Okay, put your finger on each box and count. Right now. I'm going to count 2. Did you count them? How many boxes are there? 24. So your area is 24 square units. Now letter B says, draw another shape with different dimensions but the same area, 24 square units. Hint, think of another multiplication fact with a product of 24. Color your shape in the design of your choice. Okay, this is what it means by dimensions. And notice you also need to write in the area. So the area is going to be the same, it's going to be 24. Look at your first rectangle, okay? I'm going to show you this rectangle that we just counted the shapes. There are 8 across and 3 down. So that is 8 times 3 is 24. What's another multiplication fact that equals 24? 2 times 12, 4 times 6, those all equal 24. So you could do 2 across and 12 down, or you could do 12 across and 2 down, or you could do 6 rows, 4 columns, you could do 4 rows and 6 columns, anything like that. But you need 24 squares. That's all that you need to do, okay? That's how you finish up this page. That's all for today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye.